Good afternoon, folks. I'm just sitting out the back today. My left knee's playing funny buggers. It doesn't want to let me walk very well, so I'm not going to the park today. There, the little C54. What I've had to do is take out the V3 control system for a very simple reason, that steering wise it's not the best controller out there. Well, what happens is that when you're steering, it only allows you to go so far, then it's like it hits a dead spot. Oh, this is difficult to see. Where am I? Am I looking at it? It should be, I think. Or am I? Oh no, there it is. Very difficult to see the screen with the sun shining in my eyes. No, as I was saying, the V3 system has a problem in that when you're turning, there is a dead spot. As you're turning the controller, difficult to show you on this. You can turn to approximately this on the V3, then you turn the wheel further and nothing seems to happen, then all of a sudden it does that. There is no fully proportional steering on it. You get like most of the steering control and then it just jumps. So what I've done is I've gone back to just one of the 30 amp speed controllers with one of my ubiquitous TG-3 receivers. The good thing about the TG-3 is it allows me to set the end points on my steering, plus I have full control on both the throttle and the steering. It is also very quiet. Now if I bring this close to you, you'll hear what I mean. There is barely any ESC whine on this. Pull that twig out of there. And me. Change this over. No, not change this over. I might try taking this out to the park tomorrow, depending on how good my leg is. And give it a test out there. I don't have a massive amount of speed in it with this setup because of the type of motor that's in it. I'm only running 2 cell because these little remotes don't really like you running 3. So that is flat out. That's as fast as it will go. It's at 12 volts. It only has a maximum of 500 revs. It's not the best of setups, but I think it does well. I still have not got round to constructing the metal rear axle, so it's just running on the stock plastic axle. The rear drive shaft's plastic, front drive shaft's metal, because there isn't the room to put a metal drive shaft in the rear. Metal drive shaft, even in its fully closed position, is too long. Struggled just to get the plastic drive shaft in there. The good thing is, I mean, it gives you excellent, really excellent low speed control. It's nice and quiet, so I really have no complaints with it. It's not often we can get a WPL that operates that slowly. That's about as slow as I can go. Now this does not have wheel weights. This is just the V4 tyres with foams. That's all that's in it. I mean, I should maybe try, well, I was going to say try taking tyres off and putting some wheel weights in, but can't really do that. Because I had to glue the tyres on. And you can hear that it crunches quite a bit in places. What's causing it, I'm not being able to suss it out, because it's meshing fine. It may just be because the space between the gearbox and rear axles too close. I think it would be good to try getting this out into the park and see what it can do. So I'll maybe see the weather's reasonable tomorrow and my leg decides it's going to allow me. I'll get some test runs done. Anyway, that's all for today, folks. Just a little mess about with the C54. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Leave a comment and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified of any new releases. That's all for today, folks. I will catch you all again on the next video. Bye for now.